Hi, good morning, B2U Preventing Maintenance. I thought I had the right name, but my apologies, and I forgot to ask your name. But anyway, for the purpose of the video, my apologies if I cannot address you, address you properly. But I'm going to show you basically what can you be achieving if your website will be with the proper visibility, how many clients you can have based on what I can see here, and based on your services, and of course, how many people will be can you actually reach, right? So I have your website here, and the first thing that I have to point out, I like the layout, I like the design. It's taking a little bit too long to load, so that'll be one of the things. But the most important thing that I have to recommend is to pop-ups. Okay. If you want to be shown or you want to be found on Google, you need to have relevant content. When I say content, I'm talking about all the text readable that your website has. For example, all of this, right? Why is this important? Because when Google analyzes, they read through this. And you need to add relevant information, original information, because if you copy and paste or just put AI, for example, ChatGPT, that kind of stuff, Google is going to notice, okay? Because they don't want it. They want relevant, real information, okay? Original information, if that makes sense. So in this information, you add keywords, okay? For example, I know from your services, you do roofing, HVAC, plumbing, all that. You need to show them up here. You need to add more content, okay? And it's not just on the homepage, it's on the whole website that you need to do this. So for example, if I click on services, here we go. We got plumbing, electrical. Let's see what you have here on roofing. If you have a subpage for that. Okay, yeah, you have a subpage. So you need to add more content, okay? For example, roofing services. Okay, you need to be more specific depending on what are you targeting. But yeah, you need to surround the that specific keyword. If you could add it here on the heading, you need to add just like this, but with relevant information. Okay, I think you have a decent amount of content. Maybe you need maybe more, but I'll show you what I'm talking about. I use this tool called Ahrefs, and what this does, it picks data from any website based on Google criteria. So I can see here that you're not being found for any keywords. Let's see, maybe no. Even though you have 737 backlinks, which makes me think you either were working with somebody that was trying to help you. But again, backlinks. What are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites or other websites that are mentioning your name and your business name, and this will give you the power so you can be found on Google based on the content that you have. Think about like a popularity contest. I always say this in my videos. The more people you get to talk about you in a positive way, of course, from a good source, the more relevant you're going to become, the more relevant you're going to stay. Same thing happens here with backlinks, but you have over 730 backlinks, but you're not being found for anything. So that means that if you were trying to, to be found here, or somebody was trying to do it, it completely missed the first thing that you need to do, is that you need content. Without content, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter who tells you that you can rank without content. Truth of the matter is that without it, you're not going to be shown. And here is one proof. See, you're not being found. Now, you do roofing services. If I go to Google and type roofing Philadelphia, you can be there. Okay. The first thing I see here is this sponsor. Sponsor Google guaranteed. If you've never done Google Ads, this is pretty much like Google Ads. The only difference is that this, for you to be here, of course, you pay every time somebody clicks on your ad, but Google is going to ask you for licenses, insurance, that kind of thing, all the information, more of the details, how many years you've been in the business, that kind of stuff. In comparison to Google Ads only asks you for the business name, confirm that, and probably that's it. But if you've never done it, I will suggest to, I never recommend doing this because it's a lot of money invested in this, not much of good results, even though Google makes you look like it's nice and easy to set up and get results right away. Anyway, we have the map section. If you have your Google Business Profile, yes, you can definitely be here. You need content. Yeah, I keep saying content because Google is based on that content. They love the information. Content, images. Okay, if you have images, upload them. Yeah, it's always good to upload those images from any jobs. And reviews. If you have reviews, you need to respond to those reviews, even reply to those reviews, even if they're not, even if you get bad reviews. Google loves to see that interaction between service provider and consumer. Then we have the organic results here. Number one, we got these guys, bestchoiceroofing.com. Then we have Philly's finest roofing.net. Number three, this one with Wix. Ooh, interesting. Citywide Roofing Philadelphia. But just for you to know, 70% of the people that do a Google search, they only go for the top three here, not even on the, excuse me, on the ad section. The top three here and the top three here. That means that less than 30% would actually scroll all the way down or even go to the second or third page. Okay, so all the good stuff is concentrating here. Let's see why these guys are ranking number one really quick. And right off the bat, this is a sub page for these guys. So that means that they cover in different areas just like you do. But you can see here, they have content here. They have content here. You can see here, have content, more content here, inner links, images, of course, content here, more links to the other pages. So they understand the value of content, okay? And to show you that, see, frequently asked questions, the map section, just like you do, but with more content, of course. To show you that, just this sub-page is being found for 176 keywords, and these guys only have 3 backlinks, but this is because the whole website has way more than this. I'll show you that in a second, but let's see what kind of keyword these guys are being found for really quick. Okay, roofing contractors Philadelphia, there's 350 searches a month. That means that probably 350 people search this every month. If you're going to be running Google Ads, you'll be paying $15.95, the minimum average, to be shown on the end of the page, maybe, if so. And because these guys are ranking on the top 3, I don't know if it shows here, but let me show you really quick. Yeah, so the local backgrounds like 1, number 2. We didn't see these guys. Anyway, it's not updated. Yeah, 9 days ago. Well, these guys are number 1 anyway. So because of ranking number 3, they're getting 59 visits. If you ask me, those are 59 chances they get every month to get a client that is looking for this. Okay, that's client intent. Roofing companies, Philadelphia, it's a variation, right? 200 searches a month because they're ranking number 3 again on the top 3. They're getting another 33 visits. 33 chances of getting another client that's looking for this. You do the math. Okay, what, almost 90 something? 94, 93, 92. Roofing Philadelphia, 200 searches a month because they're ranking again on the top 3. They understand, they know that ranking here gets all these people into their website. So yeah, those are possible clients. Roofing company in Philadelphia, 40 searches a month because they're ranking number 2. They get another 14. And we keep doing the math. Roof repair, roofing Philadelphia roofing companies in Philadelphia. This is the proper way to target all these people that are actually from Philadelphia looking for these services. Okay, let's do something really quick. Something else really quick. I'm sorry. HVAC Philadelphia. I know you do HVAC as well, and you do property maintenance, right? But yeah, if I type property maintenance, because I've done this research before, the trending is not that, not that much. The demand is not that much, but it doesn't mean that you shouldn't have that as a property maintenance kind of heading here. It always helps. Anyway, HVAC Philadelphia, same thing. Google guarantee. Then you have your map section. This is a Google Ads actually. Again, can be here. Depends on also on the niche. If you do a lot of things, my recommendation is to pick 1 or 2 that you strongly do for your Google profile, especially, and then just focus on those. Because if you're gonna do 100 things at a time, you probably it's not gonna work. It's not gonna, I've never seen something like that working on on over 95% effectiveness. Anyway, same concept, map section here, and then number one, you got this guy, Gen 3 Electric.com. HVAC Philly on number two. We got Yelp. Oh, Yelp already here. Let's see. So let's see why these guys are ranking number one. If we open their website, same thing. This is a sub page, and this is a way. HVAC repair and maintenance services in Philadelphia, PA. It's a classic way to target a keyword, and then you just surround that with this content. Okay, and this is how you engage with the clients. Always have a contact form here, phone thingy here, so they click on it and call you right away. Anyway, AC and heated maintenance, and then you surround that over here. See, content. Now, if you don't see that much of a content stuff on a page, on a landing page like this, it's because they probably have a lot of things going on, like blogs and these sub pages here and about us, for example. See, careers, testimonials, pictures and stories. It's kind of the blog area. Okay. If we look at the numbers, we can see because this subpage is a subpage, they don't need any backlinks for that. It's doing the job automatically. But it's being found for 303 keywords because the whole website is actually doing very well. Okay, so here we go. HVAC Philadelphia, there's 450 searches a month because they're ranking on the top, top three. They're getting 49 visits, 49 chances. And same as the other one, right? HVAC Repair Philadelphia, 150 searches a month. And you can see here that people are paying for Google Ads on this to show up on Google Ads, okay, for clicks. Air Conditioning Repair Philadelphia, HVAC maintenance service. This is a perfect example of a national keyword because it's not telling you where, right? So unless these guys, for example, if somebody in California, I always bring it up, somebody in California types this and you show up, unless you're doing business in California, there's no point for you to showing up there. The point is that if you're ranking on Google, your phone needs to be ringing, but for the proper reasons. Okay. Like I said, this is a perfect example because these guys are ranking for the specific that people are searching for as for right now. HVAC services, Philadelphia, 50 searches. HVAC companies, Philadelphia, 100 searches. AC repair, Philadelphia, 100 searches. AC repair contractor, another national keyword, but again, not ranking that. They're on the second page. I can go on and on and on. You get the idea. So what do you have to do? You need to improve your content. You need to understand what people are searching for. Add those keywords in here. You need to add all this information in here. If somebody was helping you here, obviously they didn't know what they were doing because you're not being found. I mean, here's the proof. Unless your Google profile is up and running and doing well, I don't see anything here that is actually bringing you clients. So yeah, there's a lot of people searching for services like yours, and you provide a lot of services. A lot of services. Let's see. Yeah. Flooring services. I know there's a lot of people searching for flooring in the area. Clean outs, painting. I know there's painting services too, searching. These are the ones that have a lot of people searching, a lot of possible clients or leads, if you want to call them. I don't like to call them leads, but yeah. So I hope you find this information useful. If you have any questions, please let me know. But other than that, I really appreciate and thank you for watching.